personal foul, by the way, coach.
Nako.
Santos, hinahanap talaga si Concepcion. Fires for three.
Nakita mo na naman yung one bounce rhythm niya doon, di ba? Nakita mo
Ngunit itong si Concepcion, coach, look at that. Wide open. One dribble muna before iasinta at sapol. Bulanadi. Ngayong fourth quarter lang to, nakapunto si Elaine.
Oo.
Vic Manuel, kaninang first quarter. And first half natin, napakainit. Ngayon naman, was a bad shot for Vic Manuel. And good defense para kay KDRR. Santos dictating here. Santos fires. Big shot for Joffrey.
Why not, di ba? Why not? Tingnan mo naman gaano kalayo yung depensa. Sabi ni Santos, kayang-kaya ko itong ganito kalayo. Why not? Babawin ba yan ni Maulanadi? Wala.
Chance now to tie the game. Ngayon, ibibigay nila dito kay Joffrey Santos. You let this kid take the shot for Wellick or create for his team. Concepcion. Miss. Ojula. Linganay. Aatake. Mintes. Salado. Santos. Hinarap na ni Vic Manuel. Kick out. Aryar. Open. Big shot!
Tabla na tayo ngayon.
Here as the crowd celebrate that shot, coach. Hindi lang yung mga viewers dito sa loob ng ating Coliseum. I'm sure, pati na rin si Atrium. Tuwang-tuwa sila dito. Dikit na naman.
Nagsisigawan na rin yan sa labas.
Under a minute or under 2 minutes as Bulanadi against Cadiz. Salado. Aryar. Concepcion. 5 to shoot. Concepcion fires. Bang! 1 point lead for Alicia. Timeout remaining. Dalawa pa. Kontra sa isa. Tolomia. Floater. Rebound Aryar. Salado. Tatakbo. In transition. That's a foul on Denver Cadiz.
That was actually a good foul, no? Para walang easy basket coming dito sa Alicia Wellick. And they're not yet in the penalty situation as well. Kailangan lang nila dito one good stop. Tapos isang
They go to Concepcion. Santos against Dimoses. Out of bounds. Sa ating replay on top right after the review. So wala yung coaches challenge ha.
wala.
Mandatory review yun kasi under 2 minutes tayo, Coach Kim.
Like na they only have 6 seconds to shoot. Yes, napansin niya yan ni Concepcion. Pero umerbol at nalasas pa yun ni
One on one, tao-tao. Cadiz, Johnson, Malik Diouf. That's a foul on Emmanuel Ojula. Malik Diouf. First one is good. Tie game. Malik Diouf. Miss. Gets his own miss.
Oh!
3-point play for Malik Diouf.
Napaganda pa yun!
Santos yung lalabas dito. Nakikipagpatintero. Salado to Santos. Shot clock at 10. Salado fires. Salado against a smaller defender. Santos. Shot clock at 5. Here comes the screen. Santos needs to fire. 4 seconds. Gives it to Aryar. Fades. Fires and scores! KDRR!
What a shot! Napakahirap ng tira niya yun.
tournament, ngayon lang natin nakita yung isang KDRR na ganito ka-confidence.
Oo, yung output niya talaga is, you can see it, as you can see on that turnaround jump shot over a Vic Manuel.
Oo.
Gaano kahirap yan. And the time dying down, grabe yung focus ng taong ito, yung mental toughness niya. Tingnan mo, pihit, pull up, fade away konti, pasok.
Wala na siyang ibang maisip dun no? Kundi let that ball release and take that shot, shoot. Grabe, KDRR. 2.6. Saan sila pupunta? Tolomia fires. Too strong. And that's it. OT sa ating battle for third. Alongside, hindi nyo abanin po para sa ating action na ito. Maayong gabiin ninyong tanan. Ay kalimte ang panihapon. Oh! Denver Cadiz, nag-sorry ka ba? Putos na yun 2 and 18. Salado. RR fakes. Open for KD. Miss shot. Put back by Sherwin. Short pa rin. Third
pa rin
try.
yan.
Wala pa rin for Sherwin. To 95. 1 and 50. Manuel. Behind the back pass. 3 seconds violation. Tanggap niya. Takbo si RR. Santos. Salado. Open. Mintes. Ujula with a fake. Gets a 2-pointer. Tondi Coco, 1-on-1 against Ken Salado. Shot clock natin, pababaan na sa 5. Malik Diu, lets it fly. Too strong for Malik. Santos, stepping up his gas. In and out. Inside, Ojula.
Oh, what a sorry miss there. Dito kay Ojula, great find from Ken Salado sana yun.
That's one is good for Malik Diouf. And a steal para sa Zamboanga Valientes, up by 7 points. Maybe this is safe to say for Zamboanga Valientes coach Atondi Coco. Malik Diouf. 99 to 90. Three-point shot for Wellick, but 29.3 seconds left. 6-point lead para sa Zamboanga Valientes that they found on scoreless battle for third. Zamboanga Valientes coach right after that extended minutes. 3 puntos lang yung binigay nila sa koponan ng Alicia Welling.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!